Gent guy in Queens who collects vintage radios. It's a gold mine for parts. I should have a working prototype. Neil, are you listening?
You ever think about how all this is gonna end?